and in Charlotte and C. I mean Concord and C. Whoops. We decided to make this a stop for this since it's near Charlotte Ikea. We have some Otis Series 5 elevators with the lanterns, which remind me of the Hampton Inn back in Holly Springs. These were installed in 2010 as well. But these are traction elevators. It's this one. These also have the long Otis beep. The cab was just recently remodeled. Good item one. These ones have VR buttons, not the regular Series 5s. Stopping on 3. Oh. Let's go to 6. The cab. Installed in 2010. Here you are at 6. There it goes. That's it. I'll let it go.
Thank you. Thank you for the offer, though.
This is elevator 598 in Ikea, Charlotte, NC. This one's a Minnesota elevator from 2009. Look how big this one is. It is. So big.
Okay.
Yep. We are at the upper level.
I'll go down.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy.
It will go down.
People up. I'm not sure why they're going down because this elevator never goes down.
Anybody who's on this elevator has to
Sorry, I didn't do it. I messed up. I made a boo-boo.
These are the elevators at Ikea in Charlotte and
I don't even
C.
know if this one's working.
They are working.
No, this one. We might have to
Here
come
it
up the
is.
steps.
Let's go to him. Look how big this thing is. Oh.
Buddy.
That was 12,000 pounds. Ooh. This is in Minnesota from 2009. Here I am.
Don't touch.
Do the other one going up. Just gonna go to the upper level. The close button works. I like that. Just a cab view. It's huge. You're on the upper level. I think I gotta pause it. Hold on. As long as this, there it goes. That's it.